Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you all are fine. So today I'm going to teach you that how to make your Facebook covers using an app Canva, for which I've also made video some days ago. So first of all, go on Canva, click on it, and after clicking on it, you can see that this interface will appear in front of us. So move down and see here where are Facebook covers. Here are Facebook posts, but I click on Facebook cover. Here are Facebook cover. Click on see all to see all of the designs available. Click on it, and by clicking on it you can see that different types of thumbnail have been, no sorry, not thumbnail, Facebook covers have been appeared in front of us. So we can choose any of this. So if I want to choose this one, click on it, click on any on which you have to choose it, and by clicking on it this will appear in front of us. It will take a while, and this is our Facebook cover. If our heading is not this, so we can also change it, as I have also told earlier. If you don't know that how to change it, so you can see my earlier video in the description. I have also pasted the link. Hope that you got my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.